What's up YouTube? This is Ryan Hildreth back with another cryptocurrency update. If you've never been here before, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell as I give away free Bitcoin every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. What do we got going on today? We're going to jump on my computer. I'm going to show you the current levels of Bitcoin, where I predict it going, and if you should buy starting today. And then I'm going to go over compound interest and why that's so important and how you can grow your wealth, your Bitcoin portfolio, to thousands of dollars, literally from $100 investment. So let's go ahead and jump on my computer right now. All right, guys, so we're here on my computer. We're going to go over kind of like what the market is doing. And then at the end of this video, I'll do the Bitcoin giveaway. So what is Bitcoin doing right now? We did hit a high of around 58.50, and obviously we saw a little bit of a pullback today. Today, actually, I would recommend to start scaling in. If you plan on buying a little bit of Bitcoin and holding on to it, I would start scaling in here, but we could see definitely a pullback down to 5,000. We're at about 53.90 right now. So a pullback down to 5,000 would be expected, and then hopefully we build some consolidation around there. Obviously, there's not much volume here. As you look at the volume indicator, this huge run up is definitely not sustainable, especially on this amount of low volume. So from here on out, I do see a little bit of a pullback, maybe to 5,000, hopefully, so we can scale in big and buy some Bitcoin so that we could get that nice run up to 6,000, because I do see Bitcoin hitting 6,000 by next month easily. So what I would do right here is probably just start scaling in at these levels, and then obviously if we hit that 5,000 level, I'm going to be scaling in pretty big. Let's also look at Ethereum, because this is a coin that I also hold, right? It's the second largest cryptocurrency, but it's pretty volatile. It's a pretty volatile coin. You could definitely make some quick money in here if you're planning on trading. But this is one that, obviously, if you want to participate in a lot of the ICOs, which is initial coin offering, and you usually have to buy Ethereum first and then convert it into that ICO coin. But where do I see Ethereum going from here? Obviously, we had a large pullback, and I do see kind of a rebound coming up to this 320 range. So we could see a little bit of a rebound up to 320, but is there really any stabilization in this coin? I don't know. It's pretty volatile. I don't see any real levels of support other than this 300 level. So Ethereum is kind of one that I would just buy and hold, especially if you're going to get in soon. But those are the only two coins I'm holding right now. Bitcoin and Ethereum and BitConnect. So I am holding 3 coins. Obviously, let's go over to the BitConnect platform. So today I wanted to talk about compound interest. And BitConnect is a platform where you could lend out your Bitcoin, exchange it into BitConnect token, lend it out, and get upwards of 2% paid out to you every single day. Now, how much have I made on this platform? It's pretty crazy, because I've been on this platform for now 47 days. And I have 10,000 actively invested, and I've earned 26,238. Obviously, a lot of that is from referrals, but look at this return in 47 days on my $10,000 active investment. $2,737 I've earned in just over a month from my $10,000 investment. That's almost 30%. Obviously, I did individual loans. I loaned out like $1,000 at a time, so the return is a little bit higher than that on each individual loan, but I'm just kind of accumulating it into one. So on average, I've made about 35% in just over a month. Obviously, they have a referral program. I highly recommend taking advantage of that. Share it with friends and family. A lot of my family's invested in it, friends as well. And, if you use my referral link down below, if you don't know what BitConnect is, I have a training video in the description. And then once you watch that, you could join the team. And we have a private Facebook group that I want to show you real quick. Obviously, we have a lot of new members coming in. I still have to approve 65 people. I have like 200, I think, and now 300 people on my referral team. and just people that have been profiting, making money every single day from BitConnect and Bitcoin. So it's pretty great to see this. But let's go ahead and open up that compound interest calculator, because I do want to show you the power of reinvesting your loans. Okay, I know a lot of you want the quick money, you want to get paid out, but you don't have much to start with. So how would I recommend doing it? If I had $100 to start out, and this is, you can enter it in here. I'm going to make a spreadsheet for you. This is one I just pulled offline. But if you start with $100 on BitConnect, okay, obviously you have to purchase Bitcoin, transfer it over to BitConnect, exchange it, then lend it out. The daily interest rate, the average has been around 0.9%, so almost 1%. And if you were to reinvest every single day for, let's just say, a year, okay, and you start off with $100, that $100 is going to turn into $1,520 at the end of 1 year for you doing absolutely nothing but just investing $100, letting it sit and compound. Warren Buffett says that compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. I highly agree with that statement, because you can put aside $100, maybe you just have $100 to set aside, let it sit there in BitConnect, reinvest your daily payouts, and at the end of the year it's going to be over $1,000, $1,500, and then you're getting paid out on that principal now. So now your daily payouts are higher. What would $1,000 look like? Okay, I want to show you what $1,000 would look like at the end of a year. $1,000 at the end of 1 year will be $17,110. Okay, if you reinvest your daily profits. Let me show you 10,000. Okay, and this is just, you can set your goals. Okay, for me, I want to have at least 100,000 invested in the platform at the end of 1 year. Okay, so at the end of 365 days of being on BitConnect, I want to have 100,000 lended out. So we'll put in 10,000. That's about what I have right now. And you could see if I start reinvesting every single day, which I plan on doing. So for this month, October, I planned on paying myself. And then next month, I was going to reinvest 100% of the profits. So if I were to reinvest every single day at the end of 365 days, so the end of a year, my $10,000 investment would be $203,510. So that's double my projected goal. Okay, so just to show you the power of compound interest, what I would do from here on out, take an action step. Get this spreadsheet online. It's just a compound interest spreadsheet, and set a goal for yourself. What amount of money do you want to have lended out to where you're making, daily? If I were to reinvest every single day for 365 days, my principal would be $203,000, and my daily payouts would be $1,726. Pretty crazy returns. Obviously, there's no other platform that can provide this good of value, these types of returns, while being reputable. Obviously, BitConnect is within the top 10 cryptocurrencies, and they have a long track record of paying out their investors. I've been on the platform for 47 days. I have multiple buddies. Crypto Nick, he's been on the platform for a long time. He's actually one of the people that introduced me to the platform. So, tons of people on this. My buddy Tanner's on it as well. And, these returns you can't find anywhere. So what I would do is set a goal for yourself. What is the amount of money you're comfortable with investing on BitConnect after you do your research, after you watch my training video? What's a comfortable amount for you? And what is your goal? What is your goal to reinvest and get that amount up to where you're making, over $1,000 a day? Okay, so set a goal for yourself. What do you want to reinvest your daily payouts to get that principal up to? What number is that for you? Is it 1,000? Is it 10,000? Is it 100,000? Is it $1 million? Obviously, it's good to have a goal, good to kind of plan out your map of how you're going to reinvest your profits and like how you're going to get to your goal fastest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go ahead and do the Bitcoin giveaway right now. All right, so we have the YouTube random comment picker. I'm going to put the URL of my last video I did for the Bitcoin giveaway. So let's see who's the winner. Let's start the raffle. We had a lot of participants this last video, so all right, and the winner is David Gados. All right, he said thank you. I'm going to copy paste his Bitcoin address, and I'm going to send him 0.005 Bitcoin. Thank you, David, for participating, and I look forward to the next giveaway, 0.005. All right, there you go, David. Congrats on your Bitcoin giveaway win, and I look forward to the next video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and comment your wallet address down below to participate in the next Bitcoin giveaway on Friday. Take care.